with another interesting Independence Day craft, and that is Indian flag with pulses. Welcome to Sparklebox, and this is Yamini. If DIY is your love, then you must definitely subscribe to our channel Sparklebox. If not, you are missing a lot of DIY stuff. Now, let's get started with our today's DIY. The materials required are A4 sheets, Fevicol, blue color, pencil, red lentils, green gram, and sago.
Take an A4 sheet and draw the Indian flag on it with a pencil. Now, apply Fevicol on the sheet and paste red lentils on it. Similarly, let's paste the green grams. Take some sago and mix the blue color with it. Let's paste the white colored sago in the center of the flag. Paste the brown beans to make the stick. Use blue colored sago to make the Ashok chakra.
Indian flag with pulses craft is ready. It is a simple craft for kids. Do give it a try and share your work with us in Instagram by tagging us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, see you all!